Good morning, everyone. We are Group 2. So our group members are Mahlet, Selam, and myself. First of all, we would like to thank TechFluent for giving us this chance, this opportunity to present, to learn. And yeah, so for this group, we have tried our best to give the solution to solve the problem and to help Contoso be a better place to work. The project scenario for this is to help the customer service team of Contoso to handle the customer complaints, to find a better way to track issues, and they're trying to track the incoming customer issues to get capturing who is making the request, the nature, category of the request, and details about their issue, and also automatically notify the customer of updates to their ticket and escalate to managers if a ticket is open for too long. See reporting on ticket trends, areas of repeat concern, confirm performance of customer service agents, and other valuable metrics for managers to help manage the team. So we're trying to solve this issue for Contoso. For this, we have used Dynamics 365 Customer Service Hub. So Dynamics 365 is an intelligent business application that can help run the entire business and deliver great results through predictive AI-driven insights. It allows organizations to see data in one place, share the data across line of business, and enable a more proactive approach to accelerate business results. And we used our service level agreement approach for the solution of this problem. SLA is basically a time frame in which the service provider and the customer works to deliver the service within that time frame. It sets the expectations between both the parties and describes the products or the service to be delivered. SLA is a single point of contact for end user problems and the metrics by which the effectiveness of the process is monitored and approved. So how does the Contoso meets the customer service needs by using this technology? I would like to call and call one of my team members, Mahlet, to explain and give the demo for this one. So Mahlet.
Okay, thank you.
So
let me share my screen. So you can see the screen?
Yes. Yep.
Yes. Okay. So in order to achieve best customer service, we using this tool, and we using the customer service hub to track any customer needs to Contoso. So here we can use this the customer service hub to create a new cases, and also after we created this, and we also build the SLA. So this service labor agreement, we need the time frame so that we can know when we create the case. So we will have a time frame so that after the case is created, so in what time frame we have to respond it. So it will help us to guide us, to be in track. And then also we created the entitlement for the cases so that this entitlement will help, we allow the Contoso customer service agent to see the customer whether have entitlement, and then for how long, and then what kind of it is by using the customer case number. So I'll just for the demo part, just for you guys to see it, I'm gonna create a new case. So I'm just not gonna fill all the forms. Um, mm, Forms because we only have a minute to I'm sorry. Okay. So we all have we set up in 1 minute the SLA, so I'll just be quick and then I'll just do the sample, this test 7, and then we can fill this one, but I'll just do customer and we can say phone, and this is priority high because that's how we set up. And so as soon as we saved it, it will start counting the minutes for the SLA. So it's very easy and convenient so I can say resolve it, and then you can put any remark and resolve it. So since we responded through the limited time we set up, so my case is success. If it's not, it will say failed. So we also issue the entitlement, so it will show us that this customer have 10 left, so it's activated. And then also the other thing that we can use this by using this app is that we can also go to the dashboard, and then we can see what activity cases we have that and how many are resolved cases we have, and then we can play around and then can get some information from here. And also we can go to the customer service, and it can show us the summary of our cases. So it's a very a good place to come here and then to see your cases, you resolve it, how you do it. And then also the part that I like is that here you can come here, it's easy like to see that your incoming cases, like how they come in email or phone, or the active cases you have, how many, it's the um, easy and convenient for the Contoso customer service agent and also for the customers. So the next solution that we resolve it is that so after we do all these things that we want to tell the customers that we wanted to inform them that we are documenting their complaints. So how we wanted to do it that by sending notification by using email, so they know that we're working on him, then we so concerned about them. So that part Salam will show us how we can use how we automate that, and then we can send notification by email. So Salam, all yours.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to share my screen. I'm just going to go through how we send notification. After the case was created, we send a notification to the customer stating that. So we sent we used Power Automate to send a notification email to the customer. Hold on a second. My flow. Let me go to my flow again. This is the notification email, and we just, for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you on my end. I send it to myself. We got the data from the case created. We got the customer's information from the data that was created, and I can see that my flow is working. This is informing the customer that his so this is showing the customer that his case has been submitted, and then that customer service agent is working on it. And the next flow we created was for the escalation part based on the SLA. If the goal is not met an appropriate time, we programmed it to where the Power Automate will send a notification escalation email to the manager. I use my name again. I'm sorry. I don't have any other way to address the manager. So this is the part where we're sending items are require your attention to the manager, so we can escalate it, and the SLA won't be breached. That is how we set up the automate part. And as my Mahlet mentioned, we use Dynamics 365 for this process, for this solution. And if you have any questions, and that'll be the end of my part, I'll take it back to Sailesh.
Sure. Demo, the challenges we faced was technical challenges and the limited time. We faced some technical challenges, including the teams while working on it, and we had a limited time because of our schedule clashes, but we were able to come together and try to solve the issue. And lesson learned from this was that we were able to collaborate and do teamwork, which we're proud of. And yeah, and also we reached out for help and for other team members. We used our resources, and that was very helpful. So yeah, that was all about our presentation. Thank you so much for the patience.